Viewing the structure of a directory is one of the most important aspects of the command prompt. The main two commands for doing this are dir and tree. The dir command lists the files and folders contained within the current directory only. For example, dir-c would start at the root of the C drive and list files and folders at the root level of the drive. If we wanted to view files and folders in directory levels below this, we can do this with the /s or subdirectory switch as follows. As this command would output a large amount of data, we're going to use pipe more at the end in order to display the information in readable chunks. This command would then read as follows: dir://s pipe more. You'll see here that more is displayed at the bottom of the screen. To continue scrolling through the data, either press enter to move forward one line, or press the space bar to move forward one screen's worth of data. Also, and this works for any command, we can output the data to a file by putting bracket filename.txt at the end rather than pipe more, with the relative or absolute path of the output file. For example, dir://s bracket cresult.txt. Note that when you use an output file on a command, the output does not appear on the screen within the command prompt window. The tree command is a useful one to learn as it allows you to view the structure of files and directories on a volume in a tree-like structure, with files appearing as branches underneath folders. Let's see this in action. So that we can read the information on screen, we're going to be putting pipe more on the end of the command, like we did earlier. To do this, let's go to the root of the C drive by using the cd:// command and then type in the following: tree C:// more. As you can see below, there are files within folders that are multiple levels deep. Finally, to view all the switches on a command, simply put /? at the end. This will show you the advanced options available. As an example, on the dir command, this shows you how to show hidden and system files, such as operating system protected files. As this is quite important to know, let's quickly go over hidden and system files. To view hidden files, you would type the dir command using /ah on the end for hidden files, /as for system files, and /ahs if you wanted to view both hidden and system files. Note that this will only display files that match the file type specified using the switches. Now that we've covered viewing directory structures, let's move on to setting the date and time on your machine using a command prompt window.